Layout. View is the last drop-down menu found in the editor's main menu. This is where you set up how your editor will look. Click on View to open the drop-down submenu and hover over Layout to see the list of possible layouts. There are two different layouts available, Translation and Revision. These preset layouts are designed with the tasks and needs of translation and revision in mind. Let's take a closer look at the translation layout. This layout is more appropriate for translators. For translators and other related profiles, the source and the target languages are displayed, with the possibility to see the other existing target languages in your project. To choose the translation layout, simply click on Translation. The system will automatically switch to this layout in the background. Now, let's have a look at the revision layout. In addition to the source and target language panels, in this layout you also have a revision panel. In this panel, you can see exactly what kinds of changes were made to each of the segments. You can also see who made these changes and when. The advantage of this view is that the third column makes it easier to see exactly what changes were made. You can switch between these two layouts at any time depending on your working preferences and your task at hand. If you're unsure of which layout to use, the system has you covered. The system actually recommends a particular layout for the task you have been assigned. These recommendations are set by the project manager to help you work more efficiently. In our case, the recommended layout is the same as the standard translation layout. You also have the ability to revert to your last layout. This is helpful when you try out a new layout and you're not happy with it. We will look at in more detail later how to customize these layouts even further.